socks, jeans, and a black shirt. So yeah.
I'm going to give me a Rolls Royce truck. I'm going to be balling. Maybe you can have the spot. I wasn't putting my big ass truck right there anyway, boo. Why she took up
Oh, oh. So y'all, we at Sam's. Finna go. Girl, why you took off your boot? We at Sam's. Yeah. No, don't touch it. So we're at Sam's. Y'all, I don't know why every time I vlog, the weather gotta be bad, but it's God's weather, so we have to accept it. And you already know I got my mask on, and they taking forever, so. Michaela's basket is full. Look at Michaela's basket is Mike. Look at Michaela's basket and look at mine. I don't have nothing. It's soon gonna be full though. Pray for me, y'all. Look at this basket. Look at Michaela. And every time I go, the freaking basket wanna turn. Like, what you turn it for?
You get in. Okay. You'll have to come back and get when they didn't have that inside.
Oh, well, thank you. Look, that one right there. Look, put that one over there. All right there.
You hit me, I'm suing you. I can't be recording over there because that's not what I'm here for. But I'm hungry and I'm mad and I'm ready to go. Look at me. Y'all, my vlog was so boring. Like, I don't even be doing nothing for real, and Walmart wants to copyright my freaking videos, and oh my god, y'all, why am I right here? I want some AirPods. I'm finna give me some AirPods, y'all. Come on, let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm about to cut this camera off before Walmart copyright me. She trying to copyright me for? I'm just trying to make a video. Can't forget about the smoothie, man. I'm coming back and get me some stuff. Come on out. Why you don't want to be in my vlog? We gonna get my smoothie.
Sweater and look, everything.
Oh, you trying to be like me now? She trying to be like me now. She wanna.
I like them. I never really.
She wanna be like me.
Before I done.
We out of Walmart and I'm going home. I'm going home. Skylar, you looking at me like you wanna fight? Bro, yo, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hey. Thank you. Y'all, I'm cooking. You already know I'm in the kitchen. Get out my food. So how was my food, y'all?
Here. Here. Mama, this stuff they gotta go back here.
I know you lying. They some liars.